Hi guys, welcome to a new video. It's been a while since I've been out riding on the bike, but yeah, finally the weather picked up again and the weather is a little bit better, and I finally have time to do a real proper first ride on the bike with the new exhaust. So let's get back out on the bike and see how it sounds like. So guys, bear with me. Hopefully the audio is gonna be alright. I'm still struggling to get the right position for the microphone on this bike. I finally had it on the SV650, but yeah, this bike with the windscreen and everything, it deflects the wind just a little bit different, and then I get a lot of wind noise in the microphone. So hopefully it's gonna be alright. You guys can hear me, but the wind today is also pretty strong, so that doesn't really help with the microphone problems I already have. But yeah, let's see what we can do. First we have to find a gas station. For the first time I need to fill up the bike, so let's first find that and then go for a ride, and hopefully we can hear what it sounds like the proper way. So we had the first couple kilometers, and I have to say it sounds absolutely beautiful. I hope the camera picks up the noise a little bit, but yeah, I have to find out when I get home. And as you can see on the flags here, the wind is really picking up, so it sounds real good. Finally some time to go out and ride again. The last ride I did was before I put on the new exhaust. After that it went into the shed and never came out again. Well, never came out again is not really true, but because I did some things to it, but yeah, I wasn't going out to ride the bike sadly enough. But now found some time, the weather is good, so can really enjoy it right now. And maybe you already know this, but yeah, there are some changes to the bike already. For example, you see the gear position indicator now. That's put on the bike. Really helpful, certainly in the beginning, to get to know the bike. After that, yeah, it isn't really necessary accessory, I think, but always nice to have when you put it on the bike. And the installation is so easy, so yeah, why not? Another thing I did to the bike is I put on a Hiltech Thunderbox. And if you don't know what a Hiltech Thunderbox is, I'm gonna make a separate video on it, because I think it's an accessory almost every biker needs. Because the Hiltech Thunderbox, it allows you to put on accessories on the bike, and then they are switched to the ignition, so it won't drain your battery. And I've always had problems with accessories that I want to put on the bike and then have to do some electric magical stuff, aka cutting into the wires. Just to don't drain the battery. And now with the Hiltech Thunderbox, it makes it so much easier. So I'm gonna do a separate video on that, just to show you how to install it and how it works. Another thing I did to the bike, and I'm gonna show you that in the end of the video, is I've got the tilt ID, not the tilt ID, the seat cover. I've got the seat cover on the back of the bike. It came with the bike when I bought it, but they hadn't had it in stock, so we had to order it, and it finally came in. Now it's on the bike, so it makes the bike look so much more sporty, and yeah, just a good looking bike now. And I've still have a few more updates coming. I've got some rim tape, some red rim tape at home. I have to install that on the bike, so I'm hoping that's gonna look also a little bit better than what it's now. And I also bought a new camera. Maybe you already noticed, because I did the intro with the camera. I bought a Insta360 X3, so the 360 camera, and yeah, I have to do a little bit of practicing and see how I have to edit the footage and everything, but I hope I can make some cool footage for you guys with that camera as well. Okay guys, as you can see, the bike with the new exhaust and the seat cover on it, it looks absolutely beautiful, I think. The only other thing I'm maybe gonna do is put on the tilt ID and maybe some new indicators, but yeah, I think that's about it. Then the bike looks absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna end this video here. Please let me know what you think of the sound of the bike. Hopefully you could hear it alright, and is this setup with the microphone okay? Then I'm gonna leave it like that. Otherwise I have to make a change to it and try again. So guys, if you like this video, I would appreciate if you would press that like button for me, and I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel, and then I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.